Hi everyone, so it's been a while since I last posted a video, and unfortunately I had to post the hair dye video which got deleted. We're going to be doing a makeup look for Eid Day 2, and I know I should have posted it before Eid, but today is Eid Day 2, so just take it as how I do my makeup on Eid. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for. My dress is white, and I will show you the final look after the video. I hope you can hear me, by the way, because the fan is on and I don't have a mic because it's not working. So I'm just going to get on with it. I don't have any fancy makeup tools or makeup products, so yeah, it's a budget friendly makeup tutorial. Is it a tutorial? I don't know, because this is just how I do my makeup. So first I wash my face, and I have the lashes on. I apply these lash extensions, and I will do a separate video for lash extensions maybe some other day when I have some energy and I'm not procrastinating. So I will do a tutorial for these. It's not very neat because I washed my face and I kind of messed up some of the lashes, but this is what they look like, and you can see my nails -1. These nails are also like press-on nails. Anyway, so let's begin. So I have tied up my hair, and now I'm going to start with the aloe vera gel because I use this instead of a primer. I just use this instead because it works just as well. Where did it go? Alright, so we have the aloe vera gel. I'm just going to apply it. That's a very weird way of applying aloe vera gel. Take as much as you like because that's what I'm doing. I take about this much and apply it on my face. And on my neck. And I don't know why, but I'm not an expert with brushes. I just use my fingers because what else are these for? Up next I'm using this sunblock, even though it's almost evening, but do I care? No, because sunblock always makes my skin super shiny, and I know you should apply around like two fingers of this. I don't know, something like that. So this is what I do, and then I just apply it everywhere, you know, and then just massage it onto my skin. The good thing about this sunblock is that it doesn't really leave any white cast, and it looks perfect. Does it? Yep, looks perfect. So next so usually, I mean, if you have super dry skin, you should also go with a moisturizer. You know, the skin prep is really important if you're going for makeup, because otherwise your makeup looks really patchy and all that. So I apply this moisturizer. I mean, just a little bit. I mean, you don't necessarily have to apply it if your sunscreen is already moisturizing enough, and mine is, but I'm still going to apply it because my skin gets really patchy after a while. So I'm just going to take around this much. The good thing about this moisturizer is that it's not very oily, so it doesn't like, I mean, it's good for dry skin, it's good for oily skin as well, I think, because it's very lightweight. But I really love it. I mean, it's good for body, it's good for skin, it's good for face, whatever. I love it. So we're done with the moisturizer. So I leave it on for around 15 minutes to let it absorb into the skin, and then move on with the next step. But that's not what I'm going to do, because do we have time? No. So I need to just get ready. So up next I'm going to apply this lovely BB cream or color correcting cream. The cap broke, so that's why it looks like this. It's this rainbow repair beauty cream images. Can you see it? I don't know. I actually ordered the purple one because I think I have an olive undertone. I'm not sure. So if you guys are expert in this field, I don't know, let me know what is my undertone. But usually you cannot tell what the other person's undertone is through videos because the lighting is weird and my skin always looks different in different lightings. And honestly, I hope this video gets recorded and does not get deleted. I mean, alright, so I'm just going to apply it onto my hand. Just around this much. I love doing that. It just gives me that influencer kind of feeling. Am I an influencer? I don't know. I probably influence everyone the wrong way. Not a good influencer. Or am I? I mean, I might be good. Anyway, I'm just yapping at this point. So just like apply it everywhere and then massage it onto your with your fingers. So I don't use a foundation after this. I just use this as foundation. Usually when I'm going for a light, a natural kind of makeup look, I don't apply any foundation. But if I'm going to use foundation, I use this one. This is what it looks like. Protects with SPF 15. Can you see that? Yup. So, and it's good, but I'm not going to be applying that. I am just going to apply this. Next, a concealer. I'm going to use Miss Rose concealer in the shade Fair. Can you see that? Around the under eyes. And then this is what I learned through those Chinese videos. Like you do it like this, like to get rid of the shadow and give that lifting effect, kind of. And triangle up here, like so also on the necklines. So what I do after this is I kind of leave the concealer on for the spots and I blend the rest. Maybe, I don't know, it gives more coverage. I don't know, this is just something I do. Just like blend it in. My room has really bad lighting, so and I need to get a ring light as well for the videos, which is why I don't think my camera is showing. It is showing better than this mirror is. Sometimes I look better in the mirror, sometimes I look better on camera. And I'll just, yep, I think we're done with the blending of this and this. So as you can see, it kind of gives that lifting effect. After I blended this triangle shape, I think it works. And now, as for the spots, I'm not going to blend them yet. I'm just going to leave them on for some time while I do the rest of my makeup. Too dark. I don't care. Fine. Do I care? No. So my dress is white and I'm not sure what kind of look I want to go for. Should I go for, I don't know, a very girly, cutesy makeup look? I did say I want no makeup look, but it's not going to be no makeup look. It's going to be a lot of makeup but less foundation, kind of no makeup look. Like I'm naturally so pretty, I don't even need that much makeup, but I still kind of do. The girls who get it. And then as for the eyeshadow palette, it's my same old Tropic one because it has a lot of colors, so I love it. It has every color I need, and I don't really care about anything else as long as it has the colors that I need. And what's the point in getting lots of palettes when they don't have all the colors? And I use these colors, so this pink. So I'm going for, I don't know, probably a cutesy kind of makeup look. Apply it over here as well. Like if you have small eyes, you know, like I have hooded eyes. That's why I usually just skip the eyeliner, and that's why lashes help. They kind of give that eyeliner kind of effect. So I apply my eye makeup over the hood as well. So if you have small eyes, make sure you apply makeup on, like, you know, the brow. Some people are going to be like, oh, isn't that common knowledge? I mean, no, not for everyone. Anyway, it's not a tutorial, it's just how I do my makeup. So I procrastinate a lot, but today I was like, you know what, I want to make a video, so I'm making a video. As you can see, am I going to upload it? I don't even know, because there are a lot of draft videos in my drafts, and I haven't uploaded them because I edit them and I look at them again and I'm like, well, I'm not uploading that, and then I don't. Alright, well, the pink at the bottom as well. And I'm going to use brown, do that over here, over here, and then my nose looks flat. I mean, I guess I did the opposite of what I was trying to do. Do I care? I actually do. So I'm going to use the concealer, apply a bit over here, a bit on the tip, some over here as well. And then we're going, this is what it looks like. I think it looks better than before, at least. Better now, I think. Enough of spending time on the nose. I'm going to blend the rest of this concealer. Show you another hack. So I'm going to go with a shade of pink lipstick that I want, and I'm probably going to use this one. And increase the exposure if I can. Trust the process. I know it looks weird. So it looks like this right now, but actually I can also use it as blush. Alright. So next I'm going to take this purple shade. Okay. Yup, better. Well, I think it's a bit too dark, so I'm going to go with this pink again. And let me show you how it looks in some other lighting. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And pretty natural, I think. Yep. I think it's still not what it actually looks like, but I don't care. Right, so up next, I was trying to increase the brightness, but it didn't work. So as for the highlighter, I'm going to use it again, and this time this part, and apply a little bit on the nose. Just a little bit. And over here. brows as well. Really great art. So after this, a little bit over here. Alright, now we're going to go with mascara and this is what it looks like. You cannot really tell what it looks like because the lighting is so bad. So alright, so as you guys can tell, I have changed my clothes, and up next I'm going to either use this or this. I guess I'm going to use this on top of the lips for that glazed effect. Yep, and now we're going to put on some jewelry and then I'm going to be right back. Alright, so I forgot to put on the lens and I just put on the lens as well, and this is the look. As you can see, the lighting is good, and yep, and I changed the bangles as well. These are the bangles and these ones. So the look is complete. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to support my channel, which barely has 108 followers. Thank you so much.